Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Cardano ADA. Right now we see about a 1% decrease in the last 24 hours, pushing us down to about $2.87. The good thing is though, in the last week we still are up 0.29% in the last week. The big one is the 106.85% increase that we've seen in the last month, coming all the way from $1.40, $1.42 range, all the way up to actually making our new all-time high push around $3.10 September 2nd at 2 a.m. and now pushing right around 287. So we're still in a very, very good spot for Cardano, coming to smart contracts very, very soon. I do want to talk about the news and updates regarding FUD, as well as really the crypto in crypto space in general. We have a lot to really kind of talk about when regarding Cardano. So we will be jumping into that at the end of the video, or before the end of the video, obviously. But stay tuned and make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with Cardano, as well as so many other altcoins across the space. So first off, we do see the market cap at $91.9 billion, and the volume in the last 24 hours being right around $4.6 billion. So we are continuing to see these statistics rise in value. We are continuing to see more and more people, whether retail or institutional investors, jumping in as we see a ton of inflow in Cardano. I do want to jump though into a couple different tweets. So the first one's actually going to be one of my own. So if you guys aren't following me on Twitter already, make sure to follow me on Twitter, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. I always tweet, regarding crypto, so you can get some updates there as well as on YouTube. So Cardano ADA announced for smart contracts to be released September 12th, 2021. Imagine where this brings us in 2022. So a lot of people very, very excited about the future of Cardano, what we could be seeing with this most recent push. We have also Ada Whale talking about a couple different things here. So I suspect the next weeks and months we'll see some of the most intense FUD Cardano has ever received or even experienced. So they know the enemy is at the gates. Expect 10 tweet deep threads by influencers exposing Cardano on some deep detail or the other and worse. So expect that, and I do agree with this exact tweet as we are continuing to see this. And he did predict it, August 22nd, he tweeted this out. Ada Whale, a great one to follow if you are a Cardano holder. You can see some of the, bullish things, as well as obviously talking about some of the bearish looking things. So this isn't, in my opinion, bearish at all. But one thing to notice is I think we see higher prices this year. Personally, I will ride ADA rodeo long term, come bull or bear market. But we've had a massive run up, and the main buyers since $2 or so have been speculators. At some point, markets do correct. Please don't get in expecting a 10x here. So, in my opinion, this is not bearish at all. Obviously, he's expecting still increase in the, all-time high. It's just not going to be that 10x that everyone expects in every single coin. Everyone expects to get rich overnight. Obviously, can happen in crypto. It does not happen very often. So keep that in mind. As we jump, though, into this important thread by Input Output HK. So over the past 24 hours, we have actually seen a lot of social media speculation. And let's face it, outright FUD and misinformation over Cardano's ledger approach, and specifically concurrency. So let's clear this up. So he actually goes, or whoever tweeted this, goes into deep detail on how this, all works and some of the positives that is going on. So we'll soon release farther technical documentation to assist developers. So please keep an eye out for that. Meanwhile, several developers and community members, including Sunday Swap and Army Spies, have been posting, good documentation and helpful videos. So there is still a lot of support, obviously, in Cardano, but you're going to have people that are upset about Cardano being the number 3 cryptocurrency right now in market capitalization. So they are going to be coming after Cardano holders and the token altogether. So keep that in mind as we continue to see more FUD in the upcoming weeks regarding Cardano. It doesn't look like it's stopping Cardano too much, still at a $2.87 price point. Just remember, there is going to have to be some kind of at least stabilization before the next rise to the top. So we are very, very excited. And here we actually, this is a good question because I see these kind of questions quite a bit on YouTube. So you guys are asking me, will we ever see a $20 ADA? ADA will actually kind of responds here. We will get there, and who knows, maybe all of us taken, for a huge ride in a surprise. My tweet was more intended as a call for caution. I don't even see a particularly, bearish case short term. It's just risk management, really. So he's just trying to be on, the defensive side here for people to understand that not every coin's a 10x. You're not going to go into a great project like Cardano that's already number 3 in capitalization, almost $100 billion, and see an instant 10x to, that $100 billion turning to $1 trillion overnight. So just keep that in mind. Obviously, just, some caution to, keep in mind when you're buying altcoins and crypto in general. As remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and always do your own research. I do want to jump into a really kind of an ad here. It's going to be about BlockFi. So BlockFi is one that you guys should all be very, very aware of. BlockFi is one of those opportunities to actually earn passive rewards, whether it's, in stable coins, whether it's, in Chainlink or whatever else. The big thing is with Cardano, you can earn passive rewards through staking. Well, there's certain coins you can't stake, and that's Chainlink specifically is one of those that I love that you can't stake, and that's exactly why you can use BlockFi for up to 7.5% APY. You start your BIA account or BlockFi interest account, and there are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So I will put my special link down below in the description of today's video, as well as hopefully in the pinned comment section. The very top comment should be my BlockFi rewards card, or not my rewards card, but my rewards or referral code. That referral code will actually give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you do sign up using it, so make sure to take advantage of that. I do want to jump, though, back on over to Cardano because there's still a lot to talk about when talking about Cardano. There's so many articles now continuing to flow out, and since we are number 3 in market capitalization, a lot of people love talking about Cardano. It seemed like Binance BNB didn't seem to have near as much of the outreach or really the community that Cardano seems to have. So Cardano, the currency that could become the most valuable in the cyber world. They talk more about the currency as it is the really advantageous for being environmentally sustainable, and ADA could compete with Amazon, Facebook, and Netflix. Obviously, a lot more coins to come here in the crypto space here in the future. A lot of people talking about Facebook's up and coming coin, possibly maybe Amazon, maybe even Netflix. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep you guys up to date, obviously, through it all. But it's cool to see as well FX Street continuing to talk about Cardano. So Cardano price is stuck within a narrow range as the bulls struggle with pushing prices higher. The prevailing chart pattern suggests that ADA could be headed higher with a 16% climb should it overcome the remaining obstacles. Should Cardano break above $2.95, a new all-time high could soon be on the cards. So Cardano price reveals 2 major hurdles, and you're seeing them here. And I will say, guys, realistically, Cardano's still in a great pattern or really just up reach in general. So I want to go back to Cardano's price chart, give it a quick refresh on this 1 month span, and see this $2.86 now. We had a massive drop off, 290 to about 280 today. The crypto space as a whole had a nice drop. It's going to give a lot of people opportunity to reaccumulate. Hopefully we can actually have a farther drop, honestly, to maybe 42, maybe 44K again, and then shoot right back up to maybe 60, 62K. That would be a great push for me personally, and a lot of you guys would love that as well. But obviously, as we continue to move forward, if we continue to just rise above, our previous all-time highs, that would be perfectly fine by me. If we looked back, like I said, at the last month, we had that previous all-time high around $3.10, September 2nd at 2 a.m. I think Cardano is one of those coins that, like I said, also will continue to find new all-time highs before the end of the year. I think $3 to $5 is still within that price range that I've kind of suggested since the beginning. Now over $3, I think $4 to $5 is within definitely targeting range. I think $4 to $5 by the end of the year is a price prediction that I am worthy of, or not worthy. I am really okay with saying, because it's a very, very conservative price prediction, only going up another dollar, finding, another 33 market capitalization in billions there, obviously. Just finding some really growth in the next upcoming year and months ahead. So I do think as we push to the end of the bull market part 2, there's a very good shot for us to continue on this push, maybe to even $7 to $10, depending on how big this market really continues to grow. So we'll keep you guys up to date through it all, like I said, through the channel and also on Twitter. I do have links down in the description for my Patreon as well. It's going to be the patreon.com/cryptoprofitYT. I am not doing ads through the month of September, so if you guys would like to support me there, that would mean a lot, as we do give you guys opportunities with pre-sales, ICOs, IDOs, market updates, and then obviously we give you guys those low market cap picks, as when I really do find, some really coins that do very, very well. There's a lot of coins in this space, in my opinion, that have great potential, and I'll keep you up to date with those as well. So thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you guys all in the next one.